बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अज़ीज़ तलबा, आज हम इंग्लिश की 9th क्लास के अंदर जो हमें क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं पोइम स्टॉपिंग बाय वर्ड्स ऑन अ स्नोई इवनिंग, इसके क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 की तरफ चलते हैं। बुक में तो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 होगा। क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डज द स्पीकर स्टॉप ऑन द डार्केस्ट इवनिंग ऑफ द ईयर? द आंसर इज, द पोइट इज अ ट्रेवलर. It is night, and he can't move ahead. The woods are lovely, dark, and deep. He is fascinated by the natural beauty of the woods, so that he can't move ahead without appreciating them. In fact, he wants to enjoy the beauty of the nature. The next question is, why does the horse impatiently await the next move of his master? The answer is, the horse impatiently awaits the next move of his master because there is no farmhouse nearby. He thinks that they might have made some mistake. The horse knows that they have to travel a long distance to reach their destination, so he thinks it very strange to stay in such a place. The last question of this poem is, the speaker in the poem is captivated by the beauty of the nature. Why doesn't he stop for long time to enjoy the nature's beauty? The answer is, the poet admits that woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but he can't stop there for a long time because he has to travel a long distance before he reaches his home and takes rest. He also has some duties in his life to perform and also has some promises to fulfill. तो आज हमारे ये क्वेश्चन आंसर इस पोइम के पूरे हो चुके हैं। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेसन में। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, अपने इस चैनल का भी और दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।